Coughing can be so annoying. Here are quick remedies to stop it fast. Honey coats your throat, soothes irritation, and reduces coughing instantly. Salt water reduces inflammation and clears out mucus, quick and easy. Boil water, add essential oils, and inhale deeply. This helps loosen mucus and stop that tickle. Ginger and lemon work together to calm your throat and boost immunity. Press this acupressure point for a few seconds. It helps relax your throat muscles and stop coughing fast. Try these remedies and breathe easy again. Like and follow for more health tips.